The state government has appealed to the proscribed Hnlc not to opt out of the tripartite peace talks with the state and central government, while maintaining that outfit has officially not communicated to the state government about their desires to walk out of the talks. Cabinet Minister and MDA2 spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh said that the government would huddle for an emergency meeting as soon as the Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong returns to the city. He also said that the demand of the Hnlc of amnesty should be and will be granted.
And to the negotiating team.
So, do we see any meeting in this regard of the state government meeting up to discuss something else?
Well, since both the Chief Minister and the Home Minister are out of station, I will not be in a position to say much. But certainly, government will take a call on the matter, and it should be happening very soon once the CM is back.